Now moving on, directors of smallholder tea factories have been appointed to the tea board as it starts to take shape. In a gazette notice, Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya has appointed 4 directors to the board that will oversee operations in the tea value chain as part of implementation of the Tea Act.
Implementation of reforms in the tea value chain have started, with 4 directors from smallholder tea factories being appointed to the tea board. The board, which is required to have a maximum of 16 members, will be tasked with overseeing the operations of the tea value chain. The board, among other things, will be charged with licensing of tea factories and tea traders, as well as setting the minimum tea buying prices to protect farmers from exploitative prices. This comes at a time when smallholder tea farmers have been grappling with low tea bonus payout in recent years, blamed on mismanagement and low global tea prices as a result of increased production. Meanwhile, Kenyans will have to contend with the high cost of maize products that are seen a 2 kg packet of maize flour retail at about 120 shillings. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya says the government will let the market forces dictate maize prices.
Tutahakikisha hiyo haibadiliki. Mkulima aendelee kunufaika na jasho lake. Hawa akiuza anapata at least mapato yake, pesa iongezeke.
Late last year, millers had written to the Agriculture Ministry to let them import maize to stabilize high maize prices that had seen a 90 kg bag of maize retail at more than 3,000 shillings. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.